Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Andy here, and today I've got something seriously special for you. We're reviewing the Tozo NC3 earbuds. Feature-packed, noise-cancelling, waterproof, under $30. But that's not all. We're actually giving away a pair of these. See, at the moment, I'm living in the Philippines, and I've been absolutely blown away by the warmth, support, and love from the local community. So guys, I'm doing something I've never done before. I'm giving away 2 pairs of earbuds. I'm giving away this one, and also the Tozo Crystal earbuds. So guys, this giveaway is just for my Filipino audience. Thank you. You guys make up a big part of my audience on YouTube. This is my way of giving back to you, to say thank you so much. So we're going to review these earbuds in a video, and the next video we're going to do the Tozo Crystal buds as well. So got to do them. Got to do an unboxing, use them out and about, show you guys how they work. So check out the review. We're going to show you shortly how to enter these earbuds. Now I've been using the Tozo NC3 for the past few weeks. On jeepney rides, walking through crowded markets, at the gym, and even on a rainy walk through Manila. Guys, these things are lightweight, crazy powerful for the price, and packed with features I honestly didn't expect at this level. But are they good enough to win my giveaway slot? Let's find out. As always, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click the notification button. Make sure you're aware of giveaways. We're giving away several prizes at the moment. So let's start by unboxing them. Inside the box, you've got the earbuds themselves, a compact case with a slick LED battery display, USB-C charging cable, and a massive range of ear tips. So no matter what your ear size, you'll find the perfect fit. The build quality, guys, here surprised me. It's got a lovely matte finish on the buds and on the case as well. It's also got a very strong magnet on the inside. And that LED display, if you can see it just there, is something I normally only see on premium earbuds. Guys, it's a lovely touch from Tozo. So pairing simple. With the Bluetooth 5.3, it means instant connection, no dropouts, and low latency. So it's great for YouTube, movies, and even a little PUBG mobile if you're into gaming. The app is where it gets interesting as well. There's 32 EQ presets. That's right, you can go from deep bass to crisp vocals, or even build your own sound profile. Guys, I tried everything from Fleetwood Mac, to Red Hot Chili Peppers, to Whitney Houston, to local playlists. And honestly, for under $30, the clarity and punch these delivers is insane. And as you can see there, they are just on my ears, just there. Don't they look good? Now let's talk ANC. These have hybrid active noise cancellation with up to 45 decibels. I tested them on a busy, noisy bus in the middle of a busy street during a storm. It really worked. Then you've got transparency mode. So a quick tap on the earbuds, you can hear your surroundings. Perfect for when you're ordering food, crossing the street, or chatting with someone without putting your earbuds out. And guys, it's amazing how many people talk to me in the Philippines to test my language. With ANC off, guys, you're getting around 55 hours with the case. With ANC on, you're getting about 40 hours battery life as well. So great battery life. If you're in a rush, 10 minutes of charging gives you an extra hour of playtime as well. An absolute lifesaver. So they really are lovely earbuds. So I did my classic sound test with Sears Titanium. Powerful vocals, deep sub bass, clean mids, and then threw on Snow, Hey-Yo by Red Hot Chili Peppers. That funky rhythm came through beautifully. Even at max volume, no distortion, just rich, clean sound. Fit-wise as well, guys, as you can see there on my hair, just here, it stayed in place while at the gym, and as you can see, they don't move at all in my ears. With the IPX8 waterproofing as well, you can sweat it out or walk through a tropical downpour without stressing. And we'll show you guys now how they are using them out and about. So here I'm using the Tozo NC3 here in Manila. As you can see the background there of Manila. I've been exercising with them here in the park as well. And look at them on my ears. Don't they look really, really good? Yeah, they're great for exercising, using out and about. Noise cancelling is very good in them as well. And they're very nice to use. Noise cancelling sounds really good, so great little pair of earbuds to be using. As you guys can see just then, they were perfect for outdoors. They worked really well. Call quality is another win here. You see, you got 6 microphones in earbuds, environment noise cancellation. So this means in there, it actually changes the cancellation depending where you're using them. So I called friends while walking down a noisy street, and it does get really noisy here in Manila. They said my voice was clear. No wind noise, no background chaos. You can even reduce wind in the app with a tap. And yes, guys, it actually does work really, really well. So all in all, a great pair of earbuds. Now guys, before I wrap up, I know you guys have been wanting to know about the giveaways. So this is for you guys in the Philippines. I'm giving away 2 pairs of earbuds. So one from this video, which is this one here, and another from the next video, which is here. Guys, to enter, all you need to do is number 1, subscribe to the channel. Number 2, like this video. And number 3, leave a comment down below telling me in the Philippines where you're watching from and what feature you love most about these earbuds. That's your main entry. But guys, if you want bonus entries, share the video on Facebook and tag a friend in your post. That gives you extra chances to win. The more comments, more shares, the better your odds. And I'll announce the winner right here on the channel, so stay tuned and make sure that notification bell is on and don't miss the next review. And guys, check out our list of giveaway winners as well. We just had a giveaway winner for Cosbit Smart Tank X2 Ultra Watch in the Philippines. So tons of prizes coming your way. So final verdict, the Tozo NC3 punches way above its price. Killer ANC, long battery life, excellent app, customizable EQ, waterproof, and surprisingly clear sound. If you're looking for an affordable upgrade, this is a solid choice. Would I recommend it? Guys, 100%. And best of all, you may win these for free. It's incredible. So yeah, check out our other giveaways too. We're giving away several prizes at the moment, worldwide. Special one just for you Philippine guys. So that's it. The next earbuds are coming up next. If you haven't already, smash that subscribe button, drop a like, leave your comment, and share this on Facebook to get your bonus entry. Thank you, Philippines. Love staying here with you. This one's on you. Catch you in the next video.